Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back guys to my another video. Hope you are doing great. In this video I am going to tell you about YouTube marketing, how to grow your channel with the help of YouTube marketing and video promotion. So keep connected to this series. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start without wasting any time. So guys, in this video we will be discuss about introduction to YouTube marketing, create your channel, create your playlist, YouTube advertising, YouTube monetization. First of all, we will learn about YouTube marketing. What is YouTube marketing? How can we promote our products or videos through YouTube marketing? So for this purpose, we will go to Google Chrome and then open our YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, we are on our YouTube channel dashboard. In this video, you will learn A to Z YouTube marketing. So please don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video with start till end. If you have any query in this session, in this video, then you will ask me in comment box. I will reply you of each and every comment of you. So friends, when I play any video of my channel, then you can see before playing this video, the ads of string hashtag #LifeCussion is shown, and below this video its SEO is shown because we have enabled the extension of VidlQ. So guys, the video which is shown in front of the screen, what is this? This is nothing but just an ad, and this ad shows that this is YouTube marketing by a brand. Similarly, when we play another video, then you will see that the ads is enabled in this channel because this channel is monetized, and this brand paid Google and YouTube to add their ads, to run their ads on different social media YouTube channels to grab the audience of YouTube. So this is YouTube marketing. In this way, brands promote their products online with the help of different social media platforms. So these videos are promoted by brands with the help of YouTube marketing. If you have any query with this previous video, then you will ask comment box your queries, questions, each and everything which you have doubt. I hope you will understand, which I wanted to explain you till first 2 minute and 37 second video. Now we move further. So friends, what we have seen so far, this is called paid marketing. What is organic marketing? When some brands have just uploaded their videos on YouTube, this is called organic marketing. You should also upload posts and YouTube stories as well as on YouTube channel to promote your products and business. So guys, these are different strategies of YouTube marketing which brands has used to promote their product and businesses. In today's fast moving generation, it is very easy to grab audience through social media marketing. So different brands take help in this regard and connected to different social media influencers and social media marketers for the promotion of their products, and in this way they grab a number of audience. So in this way, different brands itself uploaded their videos on YouTube and then market their product. So this is the basic definition of YouTube marketing. Now in next we will talk about how to create your YouTube channel. Wow. Simply for this purpose, you have just only have a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, then you will easily create your YouTube channel. For creating a YouTube channel, you just have Google Chrome. Then go to the Google Chrome and search YouTube. Once we are on the YouTube, then we go into the settings. And here in this dialog box, you can write any name of your channel which you want. For example, I will write here Maha. And then save their changings. So when you save these changings and this dialog box is appear in front of you, this means that how will you appear on YouTube. Here you can edit any information which you want and then click create. So guys, here your channel is made, and now you can post any video, any post if you want to upload on your channel. Select a creative profile picture for grab more audience. Now guys, we will learn about how we create ads on YouTube. So for this purpose, go to Google Chrome and search ads google.com. So guys, when you click first Google ad websites, then you will reach this page. So guys, its speed depend upon your internet. So when you click the first website, then you will reach this page. Two options are visible in front of you. What do you want to focus on? First option is drive video views and traffic to a website, or second option is drive video views and engagement with your channel. We will click on second option because we want to engage our traffic and audience on our channel to promote our video. If you want to engage different audience on your website, then you will click option number 1 and here select a video. In this box you will paste the link of your that video which is below than 3 minutes. So here we will search back to our channel and see which video is below than 3 minutes so that we can put the link on that video in the Google Ads dialog box to promote our video. We have just shorts which is below than 3 minutes. So we just select any short of our channel which we promote. We select that short which is unbelievable facts of businesses ideas that will explore your bank account. Then we will copy this link. Guys, I request you that if you still didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can be notified my upcoming videos. Here we will copy this link and then paste it on my Google Ads dialog box. Here we paste this link and here you add a landscape page where you want your audience will reach after clicking your ad. Then click headline and click next and input the information in your next page according to you. If you have any query, then you will ask in comment box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Listens everyone, but do whatever you want.